when you encounter people who accept the modern critical text and modern translations that are based on those modern critical texts, you will often hear promoted views and ideas that they often have heard from other people, and a lot of times those ideas are not based on, I think, sound reasoning or evidence. And so I want to see how many of these myths, 7 myths of modern text criticism we can cover. Myth number 5, early Christians did not have any concern or expectation that the text of Scripture should be carefully transmitted and preserved. Myth 6, the readings in the modern critical text are based on the oldest and best manuscripts. That's a myth. 7th, one must use the modern critical text in order to have a meaningful apologetic in the contemporary world. That is a myth. Let me just close with saying a couple things from that closing myth. Sometime back, I did a podcast titled, "Why Do Muslims Love the Modern Critical Text?" Noting that Muslim apologists love to quote not only from Bart Ehrman, but they also love to quote from D.A. Carson, and they love to put videos of James White's teaching online. They invite him into their mosque. Do you think that they do that just because they have open minds and want to just hear all sides? No, it's because part of their apologetic against Christianity is that our scriptures are corrupted. And if they can find a Christian teacher who is willing to come into their presence and confirm, give them, confirmation of their bias, they will happily invite him to come. Somehow he doesn't realize that.